Hello everyone, this is Smart Dot, and today we're going to be talking about how to make your own Discord emoji that you can upload to your server, and it'll look pretty cool. You can see this in a lot of Discord servers. They have like cool emoji that server only has. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be teaching you how to. If the mic sounds a bit weird, I don't know why. I'll probably get a new mic. I use the Blue Yeti. I don't know why that's wrong, because everyone uses it. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Discord emoji for free. So there is gonna be a part 1 and a part 2, not 2 different videos, but just one video. But so the first part, which we're gonna start on right now, is how to make your own Discord emoji, and the second part is a good website to get Discord to get emojis. And yeah, if you're too lazy to make them. Anyways, let's hop into it. Let's open up a new tab, and what you want to go to is sketch.io. It's a drawing website, and you guys can see here, you guys can do try out Sketchpad for 2019 or English, and let me load up one right now. If you already have one open because you've used this before, you can click the new button and then change the size to a square image. So let's do like 200. We want to do it like 200 by 200 to make it a square. There we go, and then change the background to transparent. Make sure you do that, and then click create, and it's gonna look like this. Now what you want to do is see the little star here. You're gonna drop this down and click circle, and then you can choose any color you want for your emoji. I'm gonna do the basic yellow. I think that looks good, and then you can just drag that over, and then you'll see that here we have a perfectly nice circle. We can remove the outline, then we can just go ahead and max this out. You can go ahead and also zoom in right there, and then it's gonna kind of look like this. It's just a circle. I mean, if you want a dot as an emoji, you can go ahead and do that, I guess. But if you don't, and we can make this into a nice emoji with like a face, we can go ahead and get a pencil right here. Get a pencil. You guys can see, you can do the line width to make his eye really big or something. So let's create any emoji you want. I'm gonna create a like happy emoji, so we can do like this. And then you guys might be better emoji drawers than I am. Oh my gosh. Okay. That is a little weird. So if you make a mistake, you can always do Control Z. And then here, there's a nice one, and then we can add maybe some red in there. I'm not trying to make it look the best for right now. But there we go. I know mine look a bit cringy, but it's a video, and you know. So we want to go ahead and go export and download .png, and I'm going to show you something like my drawing one sketch.png. You guys can go ahead and change it to like JPEG, PDF, whatever you want. And then what you want to do is go back to Discord. I'm going to quickly go ahead and create a Discord server. And then you guys can go ahead and join that, I guess. It's gonna be deleted. But anyways, then what you want to do is go ahead and go to server settings. You want to go to emoji, and then upload emoji, and go ahead and upload it. There we go, we have it uploaded. We can change the name to like happy smile. And then there we go. Here's our emoji, and we type this in, happy smile, gonna show up there, and there's our emoji right there, nice and center. Not center, but there's our emoji like anybody else's emoji, and I just taught you how to do it for free. You don't have to download any Photoshop or whatever. You can just use an online resource like Sketchpad. Alright, now since we did part 1, let's go on to part 2 on if you don't want to make an emoji, there is a website that you can go ahead and get emoji from, which you can put in emoji.gg, and it's gonna kind of load up, and it's gonna give you a whole bunch of free emojis you can go ahead and download. If the time seems so different, it's because I forgot to record part 2 yesterday, so I'm sorry about that. But we can look up any emoji we want. So let's say we want a happy emoji or something. I like happy emojis, so here's happy emojis. You can do like Discord. Maybe that's Discord emojis, I don't know. Blur that out, editor, that's not appropriate. There is some things that are a little inappropriate emojis. I just figured out that right now, but here's a me emoji. You can get animated emojis. So let's go ahead and get a wumpus emoji. I don't know how to spell it. That's not how you spell it, apparently. So let's go to we're gonna go ahead and get to wumpus, and let's see if we can find any wumpus emojis. Here we go. These are cool wumpus. Oh, I like this wumpus emoji. So we can go ahead and click it, and then we can click download, and it's gonna show up right there. And then we can go to Discord. We are now in Discord. We can go to the Discord server that we did yesterday. We can go to server settings. We can go to emoji and quickly upload this. And there we go. We have the animated emoji, and we can do like hype squad wumpus. I don't know. Hype squad. We can do it like that, and then we can go ahead and type up hype. Hype squad. Oh yeah, it doesn't work because I don't have Nitro, but it would normally work for the Nitro users, I think. So there is our nice little emoji. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy the video and thought this was helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Turn on the bell notifications. Yes, I use Vegas, and I was currently editing the video and realized I didn't do it. So yeah, that's how kooky I am. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Subscribe, we're growing so fast.